Sports Garage, doing another subscriber ride video today. I'm heading down to Richmond, Virginia to meet up with Brandon, see one or more Broncos. I know Brandon's Bronco's not running, but that doesn't matter. Mine isn't either. So I got about a 2-hour drive down there, and it's a beautiful day. I mean, it's January. I've got the top down on the Mustang. I got my jacket on, but it's still really pleasant. So I'm looking forward to this drive, man. I love the Souths. Let's get there safe and sound. All right, so tell me what your plans are for this thing again, you were saying?
So I have a gentleman just down the street here that was a Ford mechanic through the late 70s, early 80s. He's going to rebuild the 302 for me, throw the 4R70W behind it. Still debating on the MP205 or sticking with the Dana 20. Yeah. So we're going to do the mechanicals underneath. Yeah. Get that all squared away, get it set up, get it drivable. Just do the rocker panels here, and then I think I'm going to leave the exterior pretty much the way that it is.
I think you should, man. It's got this great weathering. It's got like that that sort of split, kind of like a salt flat split, you know, on the Ranger trim there. Yeah. It's got a great patina through the fenders here and on the hood. I dig it, man. People pay a lot of money to do that. So you got 33s.
Yep.
Do you know what the lift is? It looks like about a 4-inch or something.
I thought it was a 2.5.
2.5. You know? Oh yeah, I guess it's you've got the fenders
because it's cut.
Yeah.
So
those are wide wheels too. These
gives the illusion though of being a little bit high. Yeah. The
interior is pretty stock. You know, it's got the sweet 70s pattern on the seats. Original blue carpet. It's got some speakers under the rear seats, but the rear seat covers themselves are pretty stock. The truck came out of Colorado, and it's a 73 like mine, and a Ranger badge. The only real issue is the rocker panels. The rest of the body doesn't look too bad, but the passenger side rocker panel is totally toast. In that bag is a 4R70W that's on Brandon's list of swap possibilities for the Bronco. That is an MP205 transfer case, which I've never actually seen outside of a truck before, but the thing is a beast compared to the Dana 20, man. So if he can manage to get that in there, holy smokes, that'll be awesome on the trail. Alright, so this is the stock 302. It's got a Holley 2-barrel carb on it. It starts up and it runs a little bit, but then it dies. So we were trying to figure out whether it was a fuel issue or a vacuum issue or what. Do you want to just start it up and see like what comments you get?
Sure.
She likes being on TV. Yeah. Nice. Hold on. That was crazy. I wish I was videotaping that, but it just died. It was running smooth, and then it just...
You can try it again?
Yeah, you can try it again.
And then when I'd get to about 40, it would die on me. And then it came back to all the way down.
So weird.
Probably that's it.
More gas. So now it's going. It just dies.
I was having trouble with the same dying issue.
Yeah.
I decided to just try the auxiliary tank.
Yeah.
Switched over to that, ran like a dream for about 30 or 40 miles.
Yeah.
Like I drove it to work one day and back, and then on my next outing went into the same issue.
Have you changed this filter, or is that how it came?
No, I need to change filter. That's new. That's
yeah, it looks a little crusty. It looks a little crusty.
Yeah. It needs to go.
I'm here with Chip. Brandon brought me over to Chip. He's down the street. President of the Bronco Owners Association of Richmond, BOR for short.
That's right.
You got an event next weekend?
It's actually a Mid-Atlantic Early Broncos event in Richmond. It's their annual kickoff event. Happens every winter.
It says January 27th?
January 27th.
Okay, cool.
From 12 to around 4 o'clock at Mission Barbecue off Broad Street.
All right, great. If you guys are in the area, come on by. This
Absolutely.
is Rick 70, or this is Chip 76.
Yep.
And we just went for a ride in it. You saw some of that footage, and it's got plenty of power. Cruises down the road nice. And you know, I appreciate you reaching out to invite me down here.
Yeah, no worries.
And showing me your guys' rigs. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, thanks for coming. You went out of your way to come down here. So
Oh, you know, it's nothing, man. I mean, what else was I gonna do? Sit in my hotel? I'd much rather meet some guys who are, you know, into the Broncos. And Chip's got I'm gonna shoot it right now, but a sweet Mustang LX was my first like real car in high school. So.
But don't forget the Centurion.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna shoot that too. Anyway, thanks guys, appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for coming down.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this thing?